Hello, sir, and all of my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Florencia Valerie Grizzly. In this video, I will explain an opinion about Resume, the article Religion and Happiness. Is there a positive relationship? Okay, happy watching, guys. The Swedish Public Health Authority has a target called Equal Health, where the public health police will create society conditions for a good public health. This study aims to investigate if and how religiously affects the level of happiness using microdata from European social survey. From previous research on how religious affiliation affects life satisfaction, the variables religions belonging, attending religious service, and praying was expected to be significant. The result of the Appreciation study showed that religious attendance was significant when also controlling for religious belonging and praying. When only controlling for religious belonging, the variable show a statistically significant relationship with happiness. The Swedish Public Health Authority has a target called Equal Health, where the public health police will create social conditions for a good public health, but also to close the inevitable health gaps in one given generation. There are different determinants of health which one by one affects the health of an individual, and a result can be seen as an interaction between the individual and the social. As religion can be assumed to be a social determinant of health, it's of greatly interest to investigate what effect religion has on the happiness index in the Swedish population. The Swedish Public Health Authority has the mission to map what affects mental illness. Also, out of the religious people with education, they attend religious service more often but pray less than those with no education. However, as the author discussed, this may be due to religious people doesn't value money as high as non-religious, but rather the lifestyle the Bible is teaching. The author points out that it's worth noting that the results in the studies detect a positive relationship were significant. The promotion of financial support and improved health didn't hold for combination. The results further extrapolate that married people reported a higher level of happiness than combinations. The author based his research question of previous researcher which has found no or weak device. The children have an effect of well-being. When controlling for merit status, a child always had a positive effect on life combinates. For married people, regardless of how many people there are was the effect of having a child. For combinates always expose a negative effect on life, satisfying. How many children there was? So, the conclusion in my video is religiously shows a slightly greater correlation with happiness. Another determinant showing a greater impact on happiness is health. Extremely poor health often leading to distress, but that good health still is so great of happiness. People in wealthy industrial countries are happier than poor non-industrial countries. Okay, that's my video. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.